Welcome to the KSJB AM 600 Radio Video Tractor Tour 2021. This year, it's sponsored by Northwest Tire, Double J Manufacturing and Repair Incorporated of Gackle, RM Stout and RM Stout Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center, Jamestown, Sherbensky Incorporated, Commercial and Residential Excavating in Jamestown, Farmers Union Oil Company of Allendale, Hometown Credit Union in Cullum, Ashley, Hazleton, and Lincoln, Vining Oil Company with offices in Jamestown, Central Sales Incorporated of Jamestown, and of course, AP Equipment in Valley City. Speaking of AP Equipment, here's the owner, Alex Punton Jr. from Valley City. He's 84 years old. He's on his 1949 IHC W9. It's a gas tractor. Also has PTO, hydraulic, and belt pulley. Looking good, Alex.
On his new A International Farmall. This is one of his first rides on it. Hopefully not the last. Coming around the cook car. Waving at the camera. Proud of his new tractor.
Next up is Cliff Schaefer. Cliff is from Buchanan, North Dakota, 72 years old, and Cliff is on his 1948 John Deere R. His daughter Emma and he drove up to Botno, when she was a little girl, to buy this muscle tractor, and they met another avid collector up there. And now Dan Jasmine of Jamestown, North Dakota, riding a 1966 John Deere 4020. It's a gas tractor. Dan's 58 years old. Thank you, Dan. And now here's Dawn Jasmine. Dawn is from Jamestown as well, and Dawn is on her 1941 Ford 9N. It's a gas tractor. Nice tractor, Dawn. Here's Dean Gebhardt. Dean is from Wokota in South Dakota. He's on a 1957 JI Case 600. That was the new color combination in 1957, by the way. A little over 1,500 of those were built. Dean is the second owner. Used to pull a 4-bottom plow along with that thing. You betcha. Emma Kleingartner is up next, and Emma is riding a 1959 John Deere 830. She's from Montpelier. This is a diesel. His dad has owned that tractor for over 40 years and used to pull a 6-bottom plow way back when she was little. All right, and Gary Kuhn is from New Rockford, North Dakota, and this is an Oliver 1952 66. It's a row crop tractor, and looks pretty nice there, Gary. We appreciate how well you got that one done. Our next driver is Gerald Ova. Gerald is from Buchanan, North Dakota. Gerald's 82 years old, and here's a nice 1965 John Deere 3020. That's a diesel, used for haying out on the farm, according to Gerald. Good-looking tractor. All right, Howard Stemmen is from Dickey, North Dakota, age 84, and Howard's got all kinds of tractors there, but he's featuring his 1954 IHC Farmall 300. It's a gasoline tractor. As a nice bonus, we get to see a bunch of other stuff sitting out there on the farm. Thanks, Howard. We appreciate the look. All right, here is Jeremy Ova. Jeremy's from Buchanan, North Dakota, and he's on a 1969 John Deere 4020. It was painted by Jeremy Ova. Well, not only can he announce sports, here's Joe Weigel from Edgeley, North Dakota, and he's sporting a nice-looking 1949 John Deere A. It's a gas tractor. All right, let's see if he can really drive that thing. It looks good so far, Joe. Well, okay, up next is John B. Lee. Now, that's a picture of him on his 1948 John Deere Model A. It was a gas tractor restored in 2019. He's also, well, he got more tractors, I think, than that. But here's John right now on his nice Farmall H. Thought we'd take a little stroll down a residential section and turn a few heads. John is from Carrington, 72 years old. Hope there's no other traffic coming, John. You make sure you look ahead. Just kidding. All right, and Kian Har is age 12 this year. Here is Kian from Adrian, North Dakota on his 1949 Cockshoot E3. One of our favorites, Mark Lofgren, is from Bovey, Minnesota, and this is a replica of a 1918 Mark 18. That's the M18, of course. Beautiful, beautiful gas tractor, and it's approximately half scale. This is an old 1918 Prairie tractor, and what a great sound it's got. Mark Lofgren from Minnesota is age 71. We appreciate this video. Really cool, Mark. All right, up next, Mark Nice. And Mark's from Wishick, North Dakota. Mark's is on a 1949 McCormick W4. And let me tell you what, if you don't knock something down with that thing... Well, coming down the road now is Morris Ost. And Morris is from Adrian, North Dakota, age 85. And thank you for this. Is a Minneapolis Moline, but 1949. Yeah, he started farming with one similar to this in 1954, though. It's a gas tractor. Thank you, Morris. our very own, now retired Paul Beal. Hey, Paul. Good to see you. Paul, of course, hails from Adrian, North Dakota. Tons of tractors down there. This is a Farmall 1966, a Model 806 gas tractor with a farm hand loader. Boy, it's gotten a lot of use over the years. Appreciate that one, Paul. Thank you. Yep. You can use a little more speed too, Paul. All right, Randy Tarno is coming up here. Randy's in his 50s. He's from Jamestown, North Dakota, of course. This is a nice 1954 McCormick. It's a Super W6 TA, and Randy is driving his dad's. It's actually Myron Tarno's tractor, but boy, what a nice looking tractor that one is. Well, here's Roger Lubians. He is from Fullerton, North Dakota. He's an IH collector, and this is his 1949 Farmall C. He's gotten a lot of use out of that. He's sent us a few pictures of some of the places he's used that, of course. And Roger said he found that tractor at an old farm near Bakersfield, California. All right, up next, here's Eldon Van Bruggen in his 1919 Samson M. Now, this is really a treat to see something like this. Starts on gas, but then it runs on kerosene. He's the second owner. It was purchased from the original owner's grandson under the condition that it be restored, and they did a nice job on that. All right, up next is Pat John of Jamestown, and he's driving his 1947 John Deere Model A along with Evelyn Olson, age 7. Coming down the road now, we've got Tony Wanzik of Jamestown. Tony's in his John Deere Model H, it's a 1945 model. The gas tractor. And then right behind, we've got Brian Wanzik from Fargo, and Brian's on his IH Farmall Model M. That's a 1947 gas tractor. Brian Wanzik's driving that one. And then coming around the bend right behind him, we've got Paul Wanzik. Paul's from West Fargo. He's got tractor number 3. It's a nice John Deere Model 50 from 1953. Oh, and we got a little dance at the end. So Wanzik Watusi. All right, thanks for joining us for the KSJB AM 600 Radio Video Tractor Tour 2021. Sponsored by Northwest Tire, Double J Manufacturing and Repair, RM Stout and Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center, Sherbensky Incorporated, Farmers Union Oil Company in Allendale, Hometown Credit Union in Cullum, Ashley, Hazleton, and Lincoln, Vining Oil Company headquartered in Jamestown, Central Sales Incorporated, and AP Equipment in Valley City. Also our friends, Bank Forward and Ensminger Steel.